Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper spider. So this is a very easy way of making a paper spider and it is useful too. So you can just make the spider for simple and you can keep it or store it. You can also make it and play with your dolls or toys. You can also use it for a Halloween home decor or you can also gift it to your friends for Halloween or any other festival. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute Halloween decor spider. So the first step for this activity is that I'm just going to be taking a purple color rectangular sheet of paper. So the first step is that we're going to be folding it in half like this. So after we fold it in half, I'm just going to be taking an old bangle. So you guys can take a compass as well. So I'm just going to be placing this bangle in the middle and I'm taking a pencil and I'm just going to be drawing a circle like this. So you guys can cut two circles if you like, but it will be a little hard. So I'm just going to be drawing these circles like this. So now we'll be getting two circles because we have folded the paper in half. So now I'm just going to be cutting this paper. So you have to cut it slowly and be careful while using a scissor because some of you might cut your fingers. If you're a small child, please have an adult next to you while you're cutting or ask someone else or an adult to cut. So now I've completed cutting and you'll get two circles like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking the circle and I'm going to be cutting out. I'm going to be keeping one circle aside and I'm cutting out four rectangular strips of the same color. So if you guys can cut it out or you can take rectangular paper and you can fold it in half one more time and you can fold it in half another time, and after we open it we'll have three lines over here which divide the paper into four parts. You can do that if you'd like to get the four strips. So after we get the four strips, I'm just going to be applying some glue all over the circle. So you can apply it in a certain area if you like, but I'm just going to be applying it all over. So now I'm just going to be sticking these four strips over here so that we'll get 8 lines on each side. Do not stick it equally because it should be equal in it should not be equal in both the sides. So I'm just going to be sticking one paper like this. So now I'm just going to be taking out the paper and I'm just going to be forming a multiplication symbol. It should be like a diagonal line like this. So now I'm just going to be taking the other strip and I'm taking it over here. So you have to do this slowly and make sure that you don't get gum and glue or tape on your hands. So now we've completed and we'll get a structure like this, so it should not be equal. So now I'm just going to be taking a toothpick or you can just take a stick like this, a long stick. I just cut it in half because it was too long. So I'm just going to be sticking it over here. So we have to do it slowly and do not stick it until the top or we should only stick it until the lines connect. So if you guys can use glue as well or glue stick, but if it doesn't stick properly, you can tape some tape. Once again, I'm just taking some tape because it's not sticking properly. So I'm just going to be applying some tape over here and I'm sticking it over here. So after we've done sticking the tape, so we have to do this slowly. So now I'm just going to be taking my scissor and I'm just going to be cutting out the remaining parts of the tape on the other side. So we have to do this slowly like this. So now if you've completed, next we'll be seeing how to make the top part for the spider. So as I said, you guys can take a glue as well or tape. Now I'm just going to be taking another circle that we cut out at the beginning and I'm applying some glue all over this circle as well. And I'm just going to be sticking it on top of the stick so that the mark will not be seen over here. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm just going to be cutting out another small circle or oval-like structure out of a different color paper. So it should be similar to the first one we did. So for the first one, I used dark purple. So I'm just cutting out light purple from here. And I'm just going to be, before applying some glue, I'm just going to be taking two googly eyes. So you guys can just use a pencil or marker and you can draw the eyes if you like. I'm going to be showing you guys over here, and you can also stick it. So we're supposed to draw two circles like this. So now we're supposed to be coloring this part in slowly over here. Like this, so you guys can color it in. So I'm just showing this to the people who do not have this googly eyes. So I'm just going to be applying some glue over here, and I'm sticking the googly eyes to it. So now I'm going to be sticking the mouth part. So I already applied some glue here. You guys can use a pencil to draw this, or you can cut out a small smiley-like structure from the first color we did. So I'm just going to be sticking it on the bottom part. So as I said, you guys can use your own creativity and design it. This part, the first face part, if it's correct in size, you guys can stick it, but it's kind of big at the bottom part and huge and lumpy. So I'm just going to be cutting this remaining part in over here. So as I said, if it's correct, you guys not have to cut it. So now we've completed cutting, and you'll get a beautiful face like this. So I'm just going to be applying some glue on the top part of the paper. Do not apply it onto the bottom because we're not going to be sticking it accurately. We're only supposed to be sticking it over here. So only the top part gets inside. So I'm just going to be sticking it slowly. So we just have to press on it slowly like this. So after we press on it, our paper spider is ready. So next, we're just going to be making the legs for the spider. So I'm just going to be removing the googly eyes now. Then I'm going to be sticking them after we complete doing this. So I'm just going to be sticking this part out. So if you guys used a pencil or a marker, this is the easy part for you. I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm folding it to the back part over here. So I'm repeating the same step from all the sides. So I'm just going to be taking all these legs and I'm folding them in. So I'm just going to be removing this face as well because it will be more easier after we complete sticking them all. So now I'm just going to be opening these, and I'm just going to be folding the paper at the top and one more time. So I'm just going to be folding the paper 2 times slowly like this. So we guys can do this slowly. So we just have to fold the paper at some edges so that it will be proper and the legs will be long as it's supposed to be for the spider. So I'm just folding it in a few parts. You guys can fold it in any area you think that it will be suitable. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be opening it and I'm pushing all these sides to the bottom part of the spider. So you guys can put more decoration on it as well. I'm just going to be making it simple as I said in the beginning. So now I'm just going to be taking these 2 eyes and I'm sticking it back. So now I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm sticking it to the front part over here. So after we complete this, our paper spider is ready. So as you guys saw, this is a very easy way and you can make it in a really easy way and a manner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and keep watching my videos and continue to subscribe my channel and share it with all your friends. And please subscribe if you haven't done yet for more interesting and cool videos like this. If you guys have any ideas about what I should post in my channel, you can definitely comment and I'll definitely respond to them as soon as possible, and I'll also post the video as soon as I'm successful at making what you want. So please feel free to ask anything you want about me or my channel in the description, in the comment box. If you want anything about the spider, I will provide it in the description. You can comment in the comment box about anything you would like to know about my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!